how to buy Bitcoin with Cash App. This is very easy to do. Just load up your Cash App application and click on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. From here, you should see the Explore section and Bitcoin. If we click on Bitcoin here, it's going to show us this: buy Bitcoin for as little as $1. What is money? What is Bitcoin? How does Bitcoin work? Why is Bitcoin valuable? You can read through these different articles. Now, you can also deposit your Bitcoin from a different address, but if you want to purchase Bitcoin, you will just click on buy Bitcoin here, then the specific amount. If you want to do a custom amount, you can click on the 3 lines and then type the specific amount which you want to purchase Bitcoin for. Then you will just click on next. It's going to ask for your phone number if you have not connected it, but you just got to go through the prompts by clicking on next, and that's going to use your debit card to purchase Bitcoin and add it to your account. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.